Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 9th English medium subject SS. Friends, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 11 Indian Judiciary, video number 2, part number 2. In part number 1 we already discussed about the previous part of this chapter. Okay, now we will start from video number 2 from courts of record. Okay, courts of record hold an evidential value, and when any record from the court are presented, no objections can be taken against it. Okay, what is called court of record? Court of record has a evidential value. Okay, when any of the record from the court presented, कोई भी कोर्ट के अंदर रिकॉर्ड जाता है, नो ऑब्जेक्शन कैन बी टेकन अगेंस्ट इट. ओके, the judgments and the decision of the Supreme Court is considered as a permanent documents all bound to the accept it. Okay, so this is very important. They are used for the reference by the subordinate court, और वो जो है वो subordinate court अपने as a reference वो रखती है while giving the judgment and decision. Whenever the subordinate courts needs to give any judgment, they can use that record. Any court showing the contempt or disapproval can be punished. Okay, now नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट हाई कोर्ट. हाई कोर्ट कहाँ होती है? हर एक स्टेट के अंदर होती है. वन ऑफ द की पोजीशन ऑफ द कंटिन्यूस हिरेशियल पिरामिड ऑफ द इंडियन जुडिशरी इज ऑक्यूपाइड एट द स्टेट लेवल. ओके, जो जिसको क्या कहा जाता है? हाई कोर्ट कहा जाता है. हाई कोर्ट इज द एपेक्स कोर्ट एट स्टेट लेवल. स्टेट लेवल की जो सबसे बड़ी कोर्ट होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड हाई कोर्ट. Okay, the constitution provide one high court at every state. Okay, the president has a power from high court, the president has the power to from one high court for two or more state. एक ही हाई कोर्ट, एक ही दो स्टेट के लिए एक हाई कोर्ट रख सकता है. वो पावर किसके पास होता है? प्रेसिडेंट के पास होता है. इंडिया के अंदर है, ठीक है. इन इंडिया देयर आर वन कॉमन हाई कोर्ट फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब और हरियाणा एंड चंडीगढ़. और ओके, चंडीगढ़, पंजाब और हरियाणा तीनों स्टेट के बीच में एक ही हाई कोर्ट है. बराबर है. सिमिलरली अंडर द जुरिडिक्शंस ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ द आसाम फॉल्स द स्टेट्स ऑफ मणिपुर, मेघालय, नागालैंड, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश. ये सारे के लिए जो हाई कोर्ट है वो आसाम के अंदर है. तो इन कंडीशन ऑफ द लेस पॉपुलेशन वॉट एवर द स्टेट्स वर देयर, द प्रेसिडेंट हैज़ अ पावर टू अपॉइंट द वन high court between the two or more state. Okay, now formation. The chief justice of the high court, if you are talk about the formation of the high court, the chief justice of the high court can be appointed by the president in constitution with the chief justice of the Supreme Court and the governor of the respective state. Okay, the chief justice of the high court is appointed by whom? It is appointed by the president in constitutional with the chief justice of the Supreme Court, the governor, all respective state. Okay, the chief justice of the high court is consulted into the appointment of the other judges of the high court. The president is a president is a representative of a prime minister and the cabinet minister. Okay, president is the representative of the prime minister and the cabinet minister, and hence only president appoints the chief justice only after the discussion and the constitution with the prime minister and the cabinet minister. So this is very important, friends. You have to remember about this. Now next point, the age limit. The age limit of the judge is about the high court. अगर हाई कोर्ट का जज बनना है तो एज लिमिट कितनी होनी चाहिए? 62 ईयर्स होनी चाहिए. दे कैन टेंडर द रेजिग्नेशन एड्रेस टू द प्रेसिडेंट. ओके, वो अपना रेजिग्नेशन किसको देंगे? प्रेसिडेंट को देंगे. द प्रेसिडेंट कैन रिमूव, listen, the president can remove any of the judge of the high court through the process of the impeachment carried out into the parliament on proving the charge of misconduct or mispractice of the judge. बराबर, वो पावर भी किसके पास होता है? प्रेसिडेंट के पास होता है. The judges of the Supreme Court can be transferred anywhere in India. In anywhere in India means any state of the India they can transfer according to the president. Okay, नंबर ऑफ द जजेस इज नॉट द सेम एट ऑल हाई कोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हर हाई कोर्ट के इंडिया की जो वट एवर द हाई कोर्ट्स आर देयर, द नंबर ऑफ द जजेस आर नॉट सेम इन एवरी हाई कोर्ट. इफ प्रेसिडेंट फील्स सी if president feels that the workload of the high court has increased, अगर ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है तो ही कैन अपॉइंट द एडोडिक इन चार्ज ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट. वो ज़्यादा जजेस प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं 2 साल के टाइम पीरियड के लिए. ऑल द वर्क ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड द हाई कोर्ट इज कैरीड थ्रू द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ओनली. ओके, वट एवर द work are there as a administrative into the Supreme Court and the High Court, it always carried out into the English language. But if any legislative assembly of the state passes the resolution that the work of the High Court of related state can be carried in their language, if the state, then the work of a high court of any state can be functions in a language of the state only. So this is the condition. Okay, now qualification. If you want to see the qualification about the high court, as per the provision of the constitution, a person eligible to appoint a high court, okay, high court के जज के लिए अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए, it should be citizen of India, should be served as a minimum period of 10 years. Okay, minimum period of how many years? 10 years of any judicial post into the lower court of the Indian state. lower court जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, तालुका कोर्ट, उसके अंदर 10 साल का एक्सपीरियंस उसको होना चाहिए. should have at least 10 years practice as an advocate in the high court. या तो 10 साल की हाई कोर्ट के अंदर एडवोकेट की उसको प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए. should be distinguished jurist, constitutional expert or a famous lawmaker as per the opinion of the president. क्या होना चाहिए? जूरी होना चाहिए. डिस्टिंग्विश मतलब बहुत अच्छा जूरी होना चाहिए. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एक्सपर्ट होना चाहिए और फ्रेम लॉ मेकर, फेमस फ्रेम लॉ मेकर होना चाहिए प्रेसिडेंट के ओपिनियन में. और शुड बी लो द एज ऑफ द 62 years. Okay, so these are the qualification to become the judge of a high court. The judge of the high court has to take an oath secrecy in front of the governor of the state. Okay, हाई कोर्ट का जज किसके सामने ऑथ लेता है? गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट. एनी पर्सन अपॉइंट्स बाय द गवर्नर साइन कॉरस्पॉन्डली प्लेज. सेम जैसे प्रेसिडेंट करवाता था सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, सेम प्रोसेस होती है यहाँ पे स्टेट लेवल पे हाई कोर्ट में. Okay, the jurisdictions for the high court. Okay, the power and the functions of the high court can be divided into the following 3 jurisdictions. जैसे हाई सुप्रीम कोर्ट में 3 jurisdiction थी, वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी 3 jurisdictions होती है. नंबर 1 है ओरिजिनल jurisdiction. Under the original jurisdiction, if we are talk about the original jurisdiction, the high court is empowered to issue the directions, order or right, including rights into the neuter of the habeas corpus to any person, authority of any government in case of the violation of any fundamental rights of the citizen. Okay, this is number 1 and important process. Now high court has an authority in case related the company, marriage, divorce, alimony. In this situation, high court has authority to charge the case. In case of the contempt of court and land revenue, it is the imbursement. Okay, land reforms and return can also be carried out high court. Or writ petitions challenging the judgment given by the lower court and civil and the criminal court can be made in the high court. The pattern challenge the provisions provide in the entrance examination. So this is all about the original jurisdictions. Now number 2, that is about the applicate jurisdiction. What is applicate jurisdiction? Under the applicate jurisdictions of the high court, the court hears the petition against the civil and the criminal cases. Any petition challenge the judgment of the lower court and tribunals can be made the high court. In case of the session court has issued any judgment pushing the accused for more than 4 years, then the Pretender can be challenged the judgment in the High Court. So, in this condition, any of the pretender, any of the citizen can challenge the judgment into the High Court if any excuse is given to the capital punishment by the Session Court in case of the murder for which less severe punishment is issued by the lower court. Then, in such condition, judgment can be challenged into the High Court. Number 2. If the pretender who is unsatisfied with the judgment of the tribunal can be approach the हाई कोर्ट. हाई कोर्ट के अंदर कौन कौन सी कंडीशन के अंदर आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो? हाई कोर्ट हैज़ अ पावर टू डिसाइड अपॉन द इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड pertaining to the law including to the constitutional interpretation. So this is about the applicate jurisdiction. Now administrative jurisdiction, number 3 is about the administrative jurisdictions. So each court has a authority and power to supervise the working of all subordinate court and tribunal of state or of its region. If the High Court feels that it is necessary, then it can be asked the case paper from the subordinate court and then carry out the case proceeding. The court and the frame general law to control the procedure and functioning the court under its power. The court can decide the criteria and tribunal from the various type of the fees. So this is very important, friends. The High Court can decide the criteria and tribunal form of the types of the fees. All the provisions should be accord and harmony with the constitution. The High Court can be guide and direct the subordinate courts in the matter of maintaining court and entries. So this is about the administrative jurisdictions. Okay, the High Court occupies the place of the court of record. Okay, the High Court occupies the place as the court of record. The High Court publish its judgment decision in organized form. These judgment and decisions are binding and final, for they can use this court decision and judgment as reference with taking the decision on various cases in future. The lawyers use their published judgment and decision as citizens while pleading their cases. The court has a power to punish the contempt of court. So these all are the power of the High Court. बराबर है, तो वो हाई कोर्ट के जो भी पावर है वो यहाँ पे हमको बताए गए. द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ गुजरात वो कहाँ पे है? सरखेज गांधीनगर हाईवे पे है, अहमदाबाद के पास में, 16 अहमदाबाद के पास में है. तो सो दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द हाई कोर्ट ओनली. नाउ वी स्टॉप्ड अवर एक्सप्लेनेशन टिल हियर अबाउट दिस चैप्टर. Okay, related to this video, whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF. You have to write down in your notebook. In our next video we will discuss about the remaining part of the lesson. Okay friends, bye, take care.